So here's a quick rundown of the present perfect indicative and the present perfect subjunctive. El pretérito perfecto del indicativo y subjuntivo. So these are used to tell what someone has done, that the action has been completed, but it's a way of doing it without using the predicate or the imperfect. So formed with the present tense of the verb haber, which up to this point we've only used the forms hay, hubo, había, haya. Now we're going to use all 6 forms and the past participle, which is the hado, ido form of the verb. And these are always going to end in O. It doesn't change to A, doesn't end in S, but just ending in O. Here are your list of irregulars of the present participles. And then there are a couple you can see down here that are going to have an accent mark on the I. These are ER, IR verbs that have your strong vowel A, E, or O next to the ending. Right? So the present tense forms of the verb haber, has, ha, hemos, habéis, han, and the past participle. Yo he puesto los libros en mi mochila. I have put the books in my backpack. Ellos han usado la computadora para hacer la tarea. They have used the computer to do the homework. ¿Qué has hecho tú hoy? What have you done today? So the present perfect indicative telling what has happened. Now, the present perfect subjunctive is the same idea, except for you're using the present subjunctive form of the verb haber. Haya, hayas, haya, hayamos, hayáis, hayan, in the past participle. Again, notice first and third person singular are the exact same, so you need to state your subject. And these are used to tell what has happened. Okay, when the first clause, in the second clause, when the first clause is a subjunctive trigger. When you have a weirda in the first clause, but the action has already happened in the second clause. Because remember, you have to have the coordination of tenses. You can't have a present tense indicator and then a predicate or imperfect tense verb in the second clause. This is a way of working around it by using the present perfect. Okay. Es posible que yo haya puesto los libros en mi mochila. It's possible that I have put the books in my backpack. Es bueno que ellos hayan usado la computadora para completar la tarea. Me gusta que tú hayas hecho la tarea ya. It pleases me that you have done your homework already. Right? So remember, present perfect, subjunctive, present perfect, indicative. There are 2 words in the title of the tense. So you have to use the 2 verbs to form it. The tense, the conjugation of haber, and then the present participle. Hope this has helped. Please let me know if you have any questions. I realized in listening to the recording that I called this the present participle. This is the past participle. So the present perfect is formed by using the form of the verb haber and then the past participle of the second verb. Sorry for any confusion. Ciao.